Hi everyone, it's Liam from Snowy's Outdoors, and today I'm here to introduce to you the MH2 LED Headlamp from Ledlenser. This head torch is affordable, efficient and great for general use around the campsite. When you purchase this headlamp, included in the box is the headlamp itself, the 3 AAA batteries that are required to power the headlamp, and the instruction manual. This head torch is 8 centimeters wide, 7 centimeters deep and 4.5 centimeters high. As I mentioned previously, this head torch runs off 3 AAA batteries and weighs 105 grams with the batteries, so it's on the lighter side of the head torches that we stock here at Snowy's. This head torch is made from plastic and has a waterproof rating of IPX6, meaning it's water resistant against light rain and offers protection from light dust particles. So this head torch has a soft elasticated adjustable headband that's easily applied to your head and can adjust from the side by gently moving that to loosen and moving it back the other way to tighten the head torch back up again. It also has a clip at the rear which makes it easy to attach to a binder or a belt if you need to in an emergency situation. So this head torch is very simple and easy to use, as you can cycle through the different settings by clicking the green button on the top. Different settings being high, low, flash, and then press it again to turn it off. On its high setting, this headlamp is 100 lumens over a beam distance of 100 meters and will last for approximately 10 hours. The lower setting has 15 lumens over a beam distance of 30 meters and will last for approximately 40 hours. The headlamp also offers a tilt feature with numerous settings that is easily maneuverable, and it also has an adjustment feature to focus your beam from narrow and simply turn it the other way to widen it back out again. This MH2 headlamp is affordable, efficient and a great choice for general use around the campsite, and is also backed by Ledlenser's 7-year warranty upon product registration. So if you want to find out more about this Ledlenser MH2 headlamp, you can visit us in store at Snowy's or jump online to snowys.com.au for fast free delivery to most of Australia. Thanks for listening and we hope to see you soon.